In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to n8n. This is a straightforward process, but to make it even simpler, I'm going to guide you through it with some helpful tips along the way, ensuring you understand each step clearly. First, let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. We recommend using a reliable browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari for the best experience. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Google homepage. From here, you'll want to type login to n8n into the search bar and hit enter. You should see several results. What you're looking for is either the n8n Cloud Portal or the n8n sign-in option in the search results. Go ahead and click on one of these links as they will direct you to the official n8n login page. Now that you're on the n8n login page, let's take a moment to understand what we're seeing. You should notice a field labeled Instance Email. This is where you'll enter the email address associated with your n8n account. It's essential to ensure you're using the correct account credentials here to avoid access issues. If you're drawing a blank on your instance email, don't worry. There's an intuitive solution for that. Simply click on the link that says Forgot my instance email. This will initiate a straightforward process to help you recover the information you need. Assuming you have or remember your email, go ahead and type it into the required field. Once your email is correctly entered, look for a button that says Send Magic Link and click it. This feature is a handy shortcut that reflects how much n8n values security and user convenience. After clicking, you'll need to wait just a moment. Check your email inbox for a new message from n8n. This email will contain what's known as a magic link. It's essentially a direct pathway to confirm your identity and allow you access to your account without needing additional passwords. Once you've located the email, open it and click on the provided magic link. This action should automatically redirect you back to the n8n platform, now logged in and ready to use. As you follow these on-screen prompts, you should now be able to access your account and start working with n8n's useful automation tools. If you encounter any issues or if the email doesn't appear in your inbox, it might be worth checking your spam or junk folders. Sometimes these security emails can land there by mistake. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the login process for n8n. Remember, each time you log in, you can use the same steps, making security straightforward and efficient. I hope this guide was helpful and you're now ready to make the most of what n8n has to offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.